Hello, little friends. Let's join Lily and Ben on a snowy adventure. Today, we're going to build a super cool snowman. First, we need to roll the snow into a big ball for the body.
Well done, Lily.
Now, it's time to give our snowman a head. Let's roll a smaller snowball for it. There we go. Look at our snowman with its head.
Time to give our snowman a face. Let's find some rocks for the eyes, a carrot for the nose, a smile, and sticks for the arms. Let's add some buttons to our snowman's body, and a scarf, and a hat to keep him warm. Perfect! Our snowman is looking awesome.
Well done.
Yay!